Hey guys, this is Ishan and you're watching Data Science Devils. So in this video we are going to make a smile detector. It is a very smile it is a very not smile, it is a very small project. So what this project will do, it will detect whether the person in the image or whether the people in the image are smiling or not. So before starting the coding part, we need to download and install the packages which we require. So for that, go to command prompt, and we require the OpenCV library. So write pip install OpenCV hyphen Python. I have already installed it, that's why here it's being written the requirement already satisfied. Now this is the package which we need for smile detector for our smile detector. But other than this package, we need one hair cascade file. Now, those of you who don't know what you mean by hair cascade, this name might seem scary at the beginning, but its meaning is very simple. Hair cascade files are nothing but those files which are being trained for those models. Let's say you have a model and you have trained that model on an object, let's say car. So the hair cascade file for that model will be used to detect cars. Now here our object is smile. Now smile is not an object, it is an action, but let us consider it as an object. So here the object is smile. So that's why the file name is hair cascade underscore smile.xml. If we would have to detect COVID-19 masks in our project, then we would have to locate or find or make hair cascade underscore COVID-19.xml file. Now the link of this file I will paste in the description box, so don't worry for that. So what you have to do, you have to copy this entire file and paste it in your project directory. New file. What was the file name? Hair cascade HARCASCADE hair cascade underscore smile.xml. Save. Now we will paste it and save this. Now coming to the main part, that is our coding part. I will name this file smile underscore detect.py. So the first step is to import the library which we need. So we need CV2, which is present in our OpenCV package, and then we need the image on which we are detecting smile. So I am detecting the smile in this image. So cv2.im read. This function is used to read images. in CV2 or OpenCV, ishan.png. Now I have saved it in PNG format. Now comes the third step. Smile underscore cascade equals CV2 dot cascade classifier. Now using this function, you are classifying your hair cascade underscore smile.xml file. Now the fourth step is the most important step. Here we are detecting the smiles. So I have named the variable smiles. You can name it anything. Smile underscore cascade dot detect multi-scale. Now these methods might seem scary at the beginning, but you may get used to it by practicing. So the first argument is our image. Now the next two arguments are very important. One is scale factor, another is minimum min, min, not minimum, min, neighbors equal to 20. Now the accuracy of your smile detection will largely depend on these values. So sometimes it may happen that the smile is not perfectly being detected. So in those cases you have to play around with these numbers in order to get the perfect smile. Okay. So now we have detected our smile in the coding part, but we have to show that to the user. So to show the smile to the user being detected, you will do this. Now here we are running a loop in smiles. If there is only one smile, then this loop will run for only one time. If there are two people smiling, then this loop will run for two times. If there are n people, then this loop will run for n times. Now we have to draw a rectangle around that smile. So we are drawing that rectangle on this image ishan.png, and as we have detected the smile, we know its x coordinate and y coordinate. Now for drawing the rectangle we need the length and the height. So the length will be obviously x coordinate plus the width of the rectangle, and the height will be y coordinate plus sh. Now the second parameter is nothing but the colors, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was the fifth parameter. The last parameter, that is the sixth parameter, is the width of the strip of that rectangle. Once I will run this program, you will come to know the working of this loop. So initially I am giving it a width of 4. Then at last we have to show our image using cv2.imshow function. We will write here smile is detected, and then our image on which we have detected the smile. Then we have to write cv2.wait key. Now those of you who are new to Python and OpenCV, so for them, this function, using this function, if we will press any key, then the working of our program or the working of our project will stop, or I may say end. So this function is used for that. cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now cv2 dot wait key and cv2 dot destroy all windows means that if I will press any key, then the window that is being generated on which our image with the detected smile is present, it will end. Okay, so let's save the program and run it. Python, so the name of our file was smile underscore detect.py. Let's run it. Here it's saying that it has no attribute multiscale. Oops. S was in all caps. So again I will run it. I forgot to save it. So sometimes I make these silly mistakes while coding. Now there is a type error. Function takes exactly 4 arguments but 2 are given. Okay, let's check what is the error. Sx, Sy, Sx. Okay. Hope so now it will run. Yeah, so the smile is being detected, but it is not perfect. There is this extra rectangle being generated. So as I have already said, the accuracy of our prediction will mostly depend on these variables. So we have to play with them. So let's change 1.8 to 1.6. Now I am guessing, taking a random number. Let's see. Yeah, so now the smile is perfectly being detected. If you don't like this color, you can change it. I'll write here 255 and here 0, and I will increase the width of the strip of the rectangle from 4 to 10. Save it and run it. Okay, as you can see, the color is being changed to green and the width has increased from 4 to 10. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.